guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my March Gramma in a box, and it is a St. Patrick's Day treat. Raylan's here to scream in the background. So we have a list of the contents of the box. The first project is shamrock pretzel pops. Then we have marshmallow pot of gold and our St. Patrick's Day cookies. So let's take a look at the sprinkles and everything else inside. So for the first two projects, you always use melting chocolate, so it's green and white. Then you get 3 icing colors. We have like a yellowish gold, a green, and a white. Then we have some pretzels, some little sticks for the pretzel one, the pretzel project. Some little candies, sprinkles. Ooh, those are pretty. Little shamrock ones, some gold cups, marshmallows, little gold sprinkles, multicolor yellow, and then of course the cookies. So there's shamrocks, small and large, and then little gold pots. So I'm going to start making them with the kids, and I will insert some footage of our treats. Okay, so the first part of the process is I melted the chocolate, and then I set out one of the popsicle sticks on the parchment paper, and you're going to dip part of the pretzel in the chocolate, shake off any excess, lay it on the popsicle stick, and you're going to want to make sure every pretzel is touching the stick and or each other. That way when it dries, they all stick together. And then when that's done, there are these little chocolate balls that are green. So you put one in the center, and then you could take sprinkles and sprinkle that on the chocolate. And those just take a few minutes to set up. With the leftover chocolate, I took the marshmallows and kind of separated them. You know how marshmallows stick together? So I kind of try to separate them and then give them a quick mix to make sure they're coated in the chocolate. And Jackson was separating all the little foil cups. There should be 6. And then you just put a little scoop in each cup. He was having a time. He's like, I don't think there's 6. I'm like, it is. You just gotta look at them closely. So once you put a scoop in there, you could take some of the little gold coin sprinkles and place those on top, and those will take a few minutes to set up. So I always try to do like 1 or 2 to show him how to do it, and then I let him do it. And I think that's the hardest thing for me as a mom, or one of the things I struggle with. It is like hard for me to watch him do this and not just like have me do it, or be like, here, do it this way, let me hold it, let me help you, and just let him actually do it himself. Does anybody else struggle with that? Because that's me. And I'm like, maybe that's why he's kind of helpless, because I'm always doing everything. So I'm just like sitting there, my patience is killing me, but he did a good job. And then some of the cookies are missing because Raylan spotted the box before Jackson came home from school, and she said, cookies, I decorate. I'm like, you are so stinking smart. She knows red boxes equal graining a box, and she gets to make cookies. So I gave her one of each, let her decorate them. I didn't get it on camera because my camera was downstairs at the time. But yeah, I saved the rest of the box for Jackson. So I just decorated one of the gold pots, or pots of gold. I'm no artist, but I tried to make a shamrock and then fill in the pot yellow, or white rather, and then put yellow at the top and then sprinkle some little gold coins on it. And again, trying to show Jackson how to decorate. He just wants to squeeze all the icing in no particular design. So I was trying to show him, like, why don't you outline it in one color? And again, he's doing it one-handed. And I'm like, it would help if you took your other hand and steadied the cookie. Well, he's not listening. But I think he did a better job. You know, he tried to outline it, and then when he gets to white, he just kind of squirts it all inside. But he's so funny. His main goal is hurry up and get it done so I can eat the cookies. That's his thing. But here's what our little pops look like when they were finished drying. And then the marshmallows, those are really good. We love marshmallows in this family. So yeah, a little crunch to it with the sprinkles. And that's how our cookies turned out. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to sign up for a subscription, if you do like the monthly debit option, you get your first box for $10. So it's a really good deal. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.